had one of these like vlogs to work in a long time. He just been working on the car all summer, this car and the other car. So I know you guys noticed that I haven't really uploaded any videos on YouTube lately. I've been working on a lot of different edits, trying new things. I haven't just been slacking off. I've been working on a lot of stuff. I have not been slacking off. I have not been slacking off. I've been working on a lot of different edits and stuff, and a lot of changes are going to be coming to the channel recently that are going to happen, and you guys are going to see it as well too, which is going to be good overall for the channel, and constantly uploading daily vlogs as well. So I'm happy about that. So right now I'm going to head to work, and then I'm going to talk to you guys again. What's going on, guys? So right now I made it to lunch, right now on my lunch break. So I wanted to talk to you guys. So lately I haven't been uploading. I have been working on a bunch of different projects for work, and a lot of changes are coming for work. So I've been working on that, and then I've been working on different edits and different stuff that I'm going to be doing for the channel, and different changes that's going to be coming. It's time to make it happen, get back on the daily grind. Definitely had to take some time off, just a little bit of time off, take some step backs, plan and organize what I plan for the channel. So gonna start coming back here with the new videos. More mods are on the way for the car. Definitely been planning out what I want to do for the rest of this car. Wheels are definitely going to be on the way. Cannot wait to share with you guys what wheels I'm looking at getting. They're definitely going to be neck breaker. It's gonna be some, it might be, I'm gonna say this, it might be some ice, so it's gonna be breaking some necks. So I know you guys are gonna like it. It's gonna be breaking some necks for sure. So on Saturday I will be going to Tuner Evo Philly. I went to Tuner Evo Philly. I believe Tuner Evo Philly was on a Sunday last year, and the crazy part, the thing about Tuner Evo Philly is the hours are from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. I was thinking about putting my car in the show, but then again I was like, I have to stay there till 8 p.m. and then drive back home for 3 hours, so it's gonna be a really long day. So what I might do is bring the car down to Tuner Evo Philly, and then if any of you guys are gonna be at Tuner Evo Philly, come see me. I'm gonna be walking around the convention center. I'll be outside, and then if you guys want to see the car, I'll show you guys. I'll park close to the convention center so you guys can see the car. You guys can check the car out as well. So if you guys are going to be at a Tuner Evo Philly event at the convention center, let me know. Comment below if you guys are going to be there. But I'm definitely going to be there on Saturday from 12 p.m. It starts at 12 p.m. I'm definitely going to be there. I'm going to put the flyer here so you guys can check it out. But there's going to be, this year for Tuner Evo Philly, there's going to be like some other YouTubers that's going to be there. I know I'm going to be there. I know I was talking about Phil S2K. Phil S2K is going to be there. And I believe Dustin Williams is going to be there, who also lives in the West Coast in California. He's going to be there. So there's going to be a couple of YouTubers that's going to be there, which is pretty dope. I cannot wait to be able to see more of you guys out in the Philly area, New Jersey area that subscribe to the channel and love seeing the content. I can't wait to meet a lot of you guys. So definitely, if you guys are gonna be out there, come say hi, what's up. If you guys want to check out the car, let me know, and I'll let you guys check out the car. So I cannot wait for that. So this week is gonna be pretty epic. This weekend is gonna be pretty epic, but this week the weather has been crazy. It's supposed to have been like raining for like 10 days straight, but today it has cleared up, which I'm really excited about.